Hey there, Cam here from Training Tool. Hey, I wanted to show you our new announcements feature. So announcements will show up on the new coaching dashboard or the new client dashboard that we've just released as well. So if you go to communication announcements, then you'll be able to add a brand new announcement here. If you've got some existing ones, you can edit them. So announcements is designed just to be able to show your clients or athletes a note on their dashboard. It might be for weekly motivation or to let everyone know that you've created some workouts for them, or you've done their weekly planning, or wish everyone good luck for a race. Just a way to communicate with multiple clients at the same time. So we've got quite a few options here. So let me just go into this. I'm going to edit this one. So I've called this one Race Week Guide. So I'm just telling everyone what they should be thinking about for this upcoming race week. So you've got a group of people all doing the same race. The great thing about setting up these notifications is you can decide which groups of people will see it. So I'm just going, say for example, I've got this group training plan and everyone's racing this weekend. Then I'm going to send all of those people this message. So only they will see it because it's only relevant to them. And then you can give it a name. So this is for you, a title. This will show up on the notification itself, and I'll show you that in a second. And then a message for the announcement. So you can have links in here, a bit of formatting. You can make things bold, etc. Make lists. And then as we walk down here, you can set the date that you want this message to last for. So I want it to start today and last until next Wednesday. So you can set that date range, and then you can decide on the color of the message. As you change these around, you'll see up the top here, it changes the preview here too. So let's just make this an info one, and then you can decide whether it's dismissible or not. So if it's dismissible, they can just click on the little X up here, and then it'll disappear, and then they'll never see it again. If you want it to appear for them the entire date range, then you just mark that as not dismissible, and then it will show up, and then there's a little arrow here so they can click through to the next message if there is one, but they will always see this there. So that's for important messages that you don't want them to just click without reading. All right, so if we look at now this is the athlete view of the new dashboard in the web view. So we can see here that we've got this holiday adjustments message here. That's a different message that I had. Let me just refresh this page here. Yep, so I made this dismissible. So now I'm going to dismiss that one. And now it's showing another one that I created. This is not dismissible. So I click on that to move on to the next one. And here's this race week guide that I created here. So you can see that's not dismissible. So the not dismissible ones, as they click through, it'll just cycle through them. And here's a quick look at the how this looks on the mobile app. Here it is here. So a nice big notification here. Again, let me just refresh this since I changed those notifications. Yep, so now you can scroll through the non-dismissible ones, and you'll see that the one I dismissed is not there anymore because I dismissed it. So that's the new announcement features. Hope you like it, and we'll talk to you again soon.